Alright, here's a test. Quick-Glo. Supposedly the greatest thing in the world for restoring chrome. And guess what? I need some chrome to be restored. Check that out. Directions say apply it with a microfiber cloth. Guess what? Yay, microfiber cloth. Let me put the camera down for a second and try this stuff out. Okay, quick break. Beginning from the beginning. Take a little piece, take a little bit, on the microfiber cloth, on the chrome, side to side. That was real time, people. That was real time. I am impressed. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Considering I invested, what, 2 minutes work. And it started out looking like that. Now it looks like that. And that's one application. No prep, no nothing. Bike hasn't been washed. Bike, I mean, literally took it off the trailer, put it in the garage, bought some stuff off of Amazon, rubbed it on with a microfiber cloth. That was it, and I'm here now. One application. Quick-Glo. There you go. Bam. Okay, so that's a couple minutes later after I wiped down the entire pipe that was convenient to get to and came back and polished it with a clean part of the microfiber. Leaves a little bit of a residue that you have to put a little bit of elbow grease in it, but that's the shine. From rusty part to this with no prep, no work at all. There you go.